NCC Headquarters ki Group Commander Brigadier SR Sarma ngasi Thobal Okramda laiba Waikhomani Girls College ta laktuna college asigi NCC Cadet Girls singa UNNADUNA Wari Watai Sannabagi Thouram ama Pangthokhre. Interaction program aduda Group Commander Brigadier SR Sarma na National Integration amasung Nation Building da laibak asigi masing yamlaba youth sing maru oiba thodang NCC Cadet singna laugadaba thodang amadi NCC gi motto Unity and Discipline gi matangda wang Ngasigi interaction program aduda college asigi principal Professor H Manoranjan Sharma amasung 65 Manipur Girls Battalion NCC gi Associate NCC Officer gi Thaupuribi amasung college asigi Sociology Department gi Associate Professor Dr. Suniti Balasu saruk yaki.
टाइम पे आते हो, टाइम पे जाते हो, आपका असेंबली होता है, आपकी पढ़ाई होती है, बच्चे इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, फैकल्टी इंटरेस्ट लेता है, and same is true of NCC. Similar example. So we all must inculcate the right values right from now onwards till you are in any profession. Whatever your parents say, whatever your relatives say, the good values, what you learn, what you have already learned in school, what you are learning in college, what you are learning in NCC. So the sum total of that is the value system. If we have the right values, you will always do well in your life. Next, coupled with this is overall, irrespective of whatever your aim is there, what I would recommend is that you must have few hobbies or at least minimum one hobby. चाहे अपने स्पेयर टाइम में आप पेंटिंग कर रहे हो या कोई डांस कर रहा है, कोई म्यूजिक कर रहा है, जो भी आपको अपना पसंद है, इससे एक अच्छा रिक्रिएशन का ये होता है. And with that is also linked skill set. So have some skill set, whether it is computer based. You may be an art student, that doesn't make a difference. But if you learn computers, there is no harm. Or let's say in other field you learn swimming, right? I'm sure basic things like cycling, driving. So any skill that you pick up in your life, it always assists you in day-to-day living, right? And also, the society grows because of that.